Ever wondered how to make perfect sheet pan fajitas at home? Welcome to a world where culinary delights meet simplicity. Imagine the sizzle of assorted bell peppers and onions, the tantalizing aroma of seasoned chicken, beef, or shrimp, all coming together in one vibrant, mouth-watering dish. Yes, we're talking about the ever-popular sheet pan fajitas, a Mexican treat that's as easy to make as it is delicious. The convenience of this recipe is truly unmatched. Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step process of creating this delicious Mexican delicacy. To start off, gather all the necessary ingredients. We'll need some vibrant sliced bell peppers, a perfect blend of sweetness and tang, in an assortment of colors to make our fajitas visually appealing. Next up, we have the onions, sliced thin to add a bit of crunch and a whole lot of flavor. For the protein, choose from chicken, beef, or shrimp, sliced to bite sizes. Whatever you prefer, it's guaranteed to add a hearty touch to our fajitas. Then, we have the star of the show, the fajita seasoning mix. This blend of chili powder, cumin, paprika, garlic powder, and salt will give your fajitas that authentic Mexican flavor. The tortillas will serve as our delicious, soft vessel to hold all these ingredients together. And then, the toppings. Guacamole, salsa, sour cream, and shredded cheese. Pick your favorites. They're not just for garnish, they add another layer of texture and flavor. Now that we've got our ingredients ready, it's time for the fun part, cooking. The cooking process is as simple as it gets. First, we'll start by tossing some enticingly colorful bell peppers and onions, along with your chosen protein, be it chicken, beef, or shrimp, in a savory fajita seasoning. The seasoning, a delectable blend of chili powder, cumin, paprika, garlic powder, and salt, is what gives our fajitas that authentic Mexican flavor we're after. Once everything is nicely coated, spread this vibrant mix out on a sheet pan. Try to lay them out evenly for a uniform cook. Now it's time to let your oven do the magic. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. While waiting, you can warm up some tortillas and prepare your favorite toppings. Think guacamole, salsa, sour cream, and shredded cheese. Once the timer dings, load up your tortillas with the sizzling mix straight from the oven. And just like that, your sheet pan fajitas are ready to be savored. It's as simple as that. The allure of sheet pan fajitas lies in their simplicity and robust flavor. We've sliced bell peppers, onions, and a protein of choice, tossed them in a tantalizing fajita seasoning mix, and baked to perfection. The result? A mouth-watering medley of taste and color, ready to be served on warm tortillas with your favorite toppings. It's convenience and deliciousness bundled on a single pan. So, why not give it a try and bring a taste of Mexico to your kitchen? Enjoy your meal.